Want your workouts, steps, and sleep data synced automatically? Here's how to connect your Huawei Watch with the Huawei Health app in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Download and install the Huawei Health app from your App Store. Open the app and sign in with your Huawei ID or create a new account if you don't have one yet. Step 2. Turn on your Huawei Watch by pressing and holding the power button. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone so the watch can connect during setup. Step 3. Open the Huawei Health app and go to the Devices section. Tap Add or Add Device to start searching for nearby Huawei wearables. Step 4. Select Huawei Watch from the list of available devices. The app will begin scanning for your watch using Bluetooth. Step 5. When your watch appears on the screen, tap it to begin pairing. Confirm the pairing code that appears on both your phone and the watch. Step 6. Allow the required permissions when prompted. This lets the app access features like activity tracking, heart rate data, sleep monitoring, and notifications. Step 7. Wait a moment while the app finishes syncing. Your steps, workouts, heart rate, and sleep data will now automatically transfer from the watch to the Huawei Health app. Step 8. To confirm everything is working, record a short walk or activity on your watch and check if the data appears inside the Huawei Health dashboard. For more quick tech tutorials and simple step-by-step guides, follow the channel and save this video so you can easily come back whenever you need help.